Hey, welcome back to the Gardens. And today we're drawing Ghost Pebble from Plants vs Zombies. So grab your paper and let's get started. So first we start by drawing the eyes in the middle of your page. Get like this, and then a smiling mouth. Like this. Now above we'll be drawing this thing just like so. Now go over and draw the proportions and sketch out the shape for the character. And from here we're going to draw Now let's get into the inking process. As we have completed the drawing, I'll be time-lapsing it because there aren't much instructions needed for it. So let's get into it. Now erase these pencil marks. And that's pretty much it. There is Ghost Pebble from Plants vs Zombies. The coloring will be fast forward after this. I've been introduced last time. If you like your content, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like button and give us suggestions in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.